Right now, there is the first ever planned migration of an entire country. It is underway. What you're looking at is the country of Tuvalu. It's a tiny country that's within the British Commonwealth. You can see it's relatively close to Australia. Now, this is Bikini Atoll, a nearby island, but you can see exactly how vulnerable these kinds of countries are going to be. Since about 1850, we've recorded our sea level growing just about by 8 to 9 inches, which might sound relatively small. But if the highest point in your country is 15 feet above sea level, that means that any flooding at all, any bad weather, can be devastating. And for Tuvalu, it's projected that the entire country will be underwater in just about 25 years. They have an agreement with Australia that 280 people will be allowed to immigrate to Australia per year. Now, there are 12,000 people in the entire country of Tuvalu. Now, something about that might not compute with you, because if they're allowing 280 people to immigrate every year, it would take a little over 43 years to get the entire population out. The whole country is very likely to be underwater by that point. So yeah, kind of a problem. As of now, 8,000 of those 12,000 people have applied to leave because it's very unsafe to be there, but that 280 was originally designed so that the economy does not collapse as young people who are able to leave. It's just not gonna work. Do remember that roughly 30% of the world's population lives in a coastal area. I think that humanity has just had it too good for too long, and we're gonna see some very interesting times in the next few years. If you want me to expand on any of these topics, or you have something to say about it or disagree, let me know.